Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your personal computer. First, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. Popular options include BlueStacks and Nox Player, both known for their gaming performance. Before downloading, ensure your computer meets the emulator's system requirements for a smooth experience. This setup allows you to enjoy mobile games with a larger screen and better controls. Once you have chosen an emulator, navigate to its official website and download the installer file. After the download is complete, run the installer. It will guide you through a few simple steps to set up the software on your computer. During this process, you will need to log in with your Google account, which is essential for accessing the Google Play Store later. This step is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. With your emulator successfully installed and configured, it is time to get Brawl Stars. Open the Google Play Store application, which will look just like it does on an Android phone or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type Brawl Stars and press Enter. Locate the official game by Supercell and click the Install button. The game will then download and automatically install within your emulator, ready to play. To enhance your gaming, explore the emulator's settings. You can often adjust performance options, like allocating more RAM or CPU cores, and fine-tune graphics quality for a smoother experience. Crucially, set up your keyboard and mouse controls. Many emulators offer preset configurations, or you can customize them to your liking, assigning actions to specific keys. Now, you are ready to dive into Brawl Stars with superior control and a larger view.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.